There were two trees on the bank of a river. One day, a sparrow came there. She went to the big tree and said, "Hello, big tree. I have come to you for a favor. As you know, it's going to rain heavily soon. I am looking for a safe place for my children. May I make a nest for my babies in your tree branch?" Tree replied,
"No, you can't build a nest in my tree branch. You better find another place to build your nest."
The sparrow was very disappointed to hear that. Then she went to the another tree for help. Other tree said,
"Okay, you can build nest in my tree branch and stay here with your children."
Then she started living on the tree happily with her children. After it started raining heavily. Due to heavy rain, the big tree broke from its roots. The moment rain stopped, the mother sparrow came to the big tree and said, "I asked you for shelter a few days ago, but you didn't agree. Look, now you are punished for that." The big tree smiled and replied,
"My dear sparrow, I already knew that my roots were not strong and were not able to stand out in such a heavy rain. I didn't want to risk you and your young baby's lives. That's why I rejected you."
Hearing that, Sparrow started crying for judging the tree without knowing the truth.
So friends, the moral of the story is never judge a book by its cover. The end. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe please.